Did I write any function fun1? No. Now I will write it here in TypeScript, something called fun1. So inside the fun1, what you will do, sir? I will make this dot is show equals to true. Sir, if anyone calls this fun1, sir, what will happen? Each show will become true. But if each show will become true, what will happen? It will show on the screen, right or not? Dekho? And when this fun1 will call, whenever someone click on this button. So initially it will disappear, but if someone click on the button, it will show on the screen. Any doubts? तो कुछ डाउट है सर? खाली simple topic. Any doubts, ma? No. Go here, sir. Anything is there, sir, here? No. Click here, sir. Is it clear, sir? Sir, I wanted some kind of animation and all. If you know CSS animations, do it CSS animations. Do you guys know CSS animations? If you know it, you can try it. Okay. But it is very simple. Very, very, very simple, this one. See, here I put a div, and in this div I put ngIf, and I put it here is show. Initially, is show is false. So that's why now initially it is not showing. It is not showing. Okay. Now, sir, can we use change instead of fun? Yes, it is your function, na? Instead of fun1, you put it whatever name you like it. If you put it your name, Suresh, also no one will say. Okay. Now, sir, this wrong button is there, na? If someone click on the wrong button, again I want it to disappear. If someone click on this wrong button, I want it to disappear. How it will do? You only do it, sir. Click. You call one function fun2. Now you go here, and inside the fun2, what you will do, sir? Inside the fun2, what you will do? You will write it here. This dot is showing false. Simple. Simple. Sir, we can hide that. We can write that in on click. No, you should not write in HTML. The same code. Okay. You are writing it in template. No. You should write it the condition here only. Any doubts here? So now what will happen, sir? Go here, click on this, showing on the screen, click on this, not showing on the screen. Again, click, not click. If anyone knows CSS animations, try it. If you don't know CSS animation, please learn it. This is not Angular. Okay. So I'm gonna write it as Chota logic. And I know that most people will know this. Go here, CSS, animation. Animation name, you can put anything. I will put name Prasad. And how much animation will take it? 5 seconds. And if, okay. Now here, okay. So now go here. At the rate keyframes Prasad 0%, top 0%, left 30%, 100%, top 30%, left 130%. Now don't confuse me about this. This is just a simple animation. Anyway, Someone is asking, is app folder created by you or inbuilt? The app folder is created by inbuilt. Sir, the button also removes, sir, when model is issue. See, understand this. When issue is false, pura div will be removed. Right or not? Only the button will be there. Sir, how can button survive? Because button is not in this div. Button is outside the div. This issue is responsible for only this four div, na? If anyone knows if case, it is same as if case. If, remember, if, what will happen? Open brace to close brace. Simple. Now Saraswati asking, fun1 does not contain function. Any showing, sir? Fun1 is a function, sir. Dekho, fun1 is a function here, and here I write the function definition. Simple. You don't write it here function or something kind of one because you are inside a class. Inside class, you will not write it. Sir, when you use Turner condition, it's to remove, sir, is possible. I'm not getting it. You want ternary operator? You can use ternary operator also, your wish. Yeah. That is easy, more easy ternary. I used this animation just to make it, whenever I close it also, I wanted to go back, those kind of things you can do it. This simple animation which I did it now, okay? Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No, I hope. Okay. Now, chop. Till now, it's so simple, which we discussed yesterday only. Now, you are going to understand NG if in depth. Now, sir, you all know if case now? If true. This is a simple if. This is called simple if. Now, after simple if, you will do something called if else. Do you know what is if else, sir? Do you remember if else, ma? For the people who don't know, if else means you will have if some condition. If condition is true, it will go into one case. If condition is false, it will go to else. Sir, till now what is happening, you know? Till now what is happening, you know? If it is true, it is showing issue. If issue is true, it is showing the true. If issue is false, what is showing? Nothing. If issue is false, it is just disappearing. If it is showing any other alternative? No. But I want it like, I want two divs. If issue is true, it will show one thing. If issue is false, it will show another thing. Are you getting my point, sir? I want it now two divs. One div it will show if issue is true. Another div it will show if issue is false. This is called if then. What it is called? If then. Are you all clear, ma? Now, sir, how do you do that? How do you do that? Now go here, a block of statements. Now let me go here. Yes, Yashaswini, your definition is right. Now I will go. I will write it here. Is admin. Is admin. Oh, I created one variable which is admin. I created one variable which is called is admin. You can put anything, sir. Okay. Now go here. Write it here. If else. How do you do that? You. I am writing it here. H1. I am admin. Or I will say welcome to the admin. When it will show, sir, welcome to the admin screen, when that guy is a admin. If admin is true, when is admin is true, it will show welcome to the admin logic. Okay. Now, when is admin is true, it will show the welcome to the admin logic. Okay. Now, next one. What if is admin is false? Dekho, is admin is true, sir. It is showing welcome to the admin, sir. Happy. Now, if I give Is admin false? Will it show anything on the screen, sir? Will it show anything on screen, ma? No. Now you know, for that extra cases, you have to create one dummy divs. You should not write normal div. Instead, you should create a dummy divs called ng template. What we will create? Ng template. Sir, what is this ng template? Angular templates. They are like the dummy divs. Okay. These are not div and all. Ng template is like a temporary kind of one. Okay. Those things will not show on the screen. By default, ng template will not show until or unless you specify. Okay. Until or unless you specify, it will not come. Okay. Now, ng template, I am showing it here. H1. Welcome to students. Okay. Now, sir, I will make this is admin true. Is admin true. Dekho. Now, everyone understand this logic. Again and again, don't ask this ng template. Again, I'm telling you. Dekho. Here, is admin is true. So it will show welcome to the admin. Na? I also write welcome to the students. Na? But go here. Can you see welcome to the students? ng template is by default, dummy divs. Those dummy data will not show on the screen until or unless you specify it. Until or unless you specify it. Any doubts? No. These templates, you can give names. Now, in Angular, you can give names. You can give names to any block. Okay, that is called template reference variable. Template reference variable. Kishore is saying it like ng template. You are not calling in TS file, I think. Dekho, I am not calling so many things in TS file. Still ng template will not come. ng template is a normal div. If you write it instead of ng template, if you write it a div, it will come na? Dekho, instead of ng template, if you write it here a normal div, it will come directly. No need of condition. Dekho. But ng templates by default will not come. Dekho. You don't need to write any condition or something. And also, Angular, read this point. You can give names to any block, and that names giving is called template reference variable. What it is called? Template reference variable. Template reference variable, I am giving name. Like which person I will give some name. I will give one name. Dekho. For this ng template, this one is not showing on the screen now. So I will give one name for this. For every time, whenever you want to give name, last you will put hash, and name. Why hash only, sir? Because it will store it like ID. It is unique. You should not give same name to two blocks. It is unique value. Now I am giving a name Budri. Now my ng template is having a name Budri, and what is inside the Budri? What is inside the Budri? See that? Welcome to the students. H1. Welcome to the students. Will it show on the screen? Will Budri is coming on the screen? No. But I am saying it like ng is admin. It is true. Is admin is true. Go inside. Else, go to Budri. Is admin true है तो welcome to the admin will come. If is admin false, which one will show on the screen? HG. Bujji means what it will show? Welcome to the students. Perfect. Now go here. Now is admin is true. True बोले तो admin आता. If I make it false, तो बोलो what will come? Welcome to the students. Now when I make it false, the Bujji will come. Simple. See, I am taking the name Bujji to give you an example. It's not like it has to be Bujji only. Okay. Yeah, it's a simple one. Any doubts? In true case also, sir, why don't I take it true case also some kind of template only? Yes. Someone is saying it like, what if both are false? What does it mean by both are false? Here only one variable, Ray. Bujji is not a variable. Bujji is not some kind of true or false. Bujji is one block. Right or not? Bujji is one block. You are saying this else condition. You can give multiple templates. For example, let's go here. This welcome to the admin also I will give it here only. I will write it here another ng template. This is very simple if you have a calm mind. Think it calmly. Okay. Now see this. Now here, this ng template I will give name Chitti. Now here two names are there. Two kind of templates are there. One template name is Chitti. One template name is Bujji. By default, nothing will show on the screen because ng templates are by default off. You know what I will give? I will write it here like is admin, then is admin, then Chitti, else Bujji. Raviteja Gundami is there is so much to process about Angular in less time. That is why I told you to practice. Because it is not so much. We are discussing everyday chota only. Okay. But today I discuss this Chitti Bujji one. You try one practice. Enough. If you try the data binding by now, that's enough. But the problem is if you don't try it, if you don't practice it, after some 10 days, it would be so much. Because you are learning a framework, Ray. It is not something HTML. It is not something, it is not only HTML. It is a framework. Just by Angular, you can build a full stack application. You can use a simple backend and you can build an application. Angular is so powerful, even the bank applications uses it. Okay. ng is Angular tag. ng bole to Angular. Always Angular uses ng only. Now. Any doubts? Now. Okay. Everyone. Sir, is Chitti and Bujji is having any name? Any meaning? You can put any name, na? Understand it. I put Chitti Bujji. Is it same name I have to be there? No. You can put any name you like it. But here logic is, now understand this logic. You will understand if you know if case. Is admin. If is admin is true, which one will show on the screen? Chitti, welcome to the admin. If is admin is false, welcome to the students. Bujji, simple. Any doubts? Any doubts, sir? It is stored like an ID. That's why we will put it a hash. Always remember this. You should not put two names same name. What if this also I put Chitti and this also I put Chitti? That is wrong. You should not do that. Okay. Any doubts? Now they go here. It is showing it welcome to the students only. Okay. Now. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here? Sir, in real time, we will use it so many things. Just now only I showed you one model box. What if it's like you go to different dashboards? In one dashboard, student join dashboard, it will show some student one. In teacher join dashboard, it will show for teacher one. In admin dashboard, it will show for admin one. If for different users you want to show different things, then you can use this only na. Anytime you want it if else. Anytime you want it if else, you will use this only. Anytime you want if else, you will use this only. Sir, what if I want it if else if? Do you guys know if else if? Multiple ifs will be there. If ladder, they call it as if else if. If you wanna try it, sir, देखो. If case is true, it will go to Chitti. If case is false, where it will go to? Again, inside the Bujji. Inside the Bujji. Again, you put an another div. Okay. Now here again you put an another if case. Now it will go on. Like if, in the else case again if, again in the else case again if, you know that na if else if else if else if else if it will go on. But in real time, sir, instead of using if else if, you will use one more thing. What is the alternative for if else if in your programming? What you will do? Switch case. You all have programming na? You all completed .NET na? Almost you did something na? You all completed at least switch case na? Instead of if else if only, you will use switch. Do you all know switch? Same thing you can do it here also, switch. I will explain you switch and will end the class. Okay. How to connect Angular, tell me process. What do you want to connect, Ray? I'm not getting it only. Online, please ask your doubts if you have it anything. What does it mean by Angular connect? You want to run the application in the server. Okay. If you wanna, okay. This is the output, sir. Listen, output is so simple. Go here. Up to here, everything is simple, ma. Go here. See here. In body, inside the app root. Go here down. You see only welcome to students, na? Is welcome to admin is there? It will not show. Only the things which are needed only it will show. Even though you write it, it will not show. Any doubts, ma? No. Look, someone is thinking it like, sir, we are not using EaseAdmin. We are using Chitti and Bujji only. No, you are not getting it. EaseAdmin is a value. If EaseAdmin is true, what will happen? Inside the Chitti, whatever is there, it will come inside this. If EaseAdmin is false, then inside the Bujji, whatever is there, it will come inside this. That is how Angular will work. Angular is like you have two conditions, templates. One is Chitti and Bujji. Now, if you are saying it like EaseAdmin, if EaseAdmin is true, where it will go? Chitti. Now, inside the Chitti, whatever is there, it will come here. Ultimately, this div will be there. Okay. Now, here, if EaseAdmin is false, it will go